R. Lakshmi, Assistant Professor of English, Government Degree College, Khairtabad. For today's video lesson, it is Unit 5, Report Writing, in which we have already completed the feasibility report, progress report, and the evaluation report. For today's video lesson, it is media report. In this syllabus, Unit 5, Semester 3 degree second year syllabus, we will see the difference between the media report and all the three reports that we have done in the previous videos. So here there are different categories in which we can just say that media reports comprises of three categories. That is, media can be broadly categorized into print, electronic and digital. Print media, also known as static media, refers to newspaper and news magazines. Electronic media refers or comprises of radio and television. Digital media, known as internet or the World Wide Web, and the smartphones that we are always aware of. Writing reports for media differs from writing general reports or the essays. Essays and the reports begin with an introduction and the progress in a chronological or a sequential order towards a conclusion. This is what we have studied, or we have already completed the feasibility report and the progress report or the evaluation report. Whereas media report, in contrast, do the opposite. They begin with the conclusion and disclose the details gradually. Because the aim of the media report is to grab the attention of the reader. Media reports uses the most essential element of the report first, followed by details and supporting information in order of diminishing importance. So the method followed in writing media report is known as the inverted pyramid style of writing, because it turns the conventional structure upside down by starting with the conclusion. The news that has come, that has to be given at the end, it will be given at the beginning, and slowly the supporting information will be given. So it is said that it is inverted pyramid. It is also referred as front loading style, because it gives most important information first and it is directly said. So how to write a media report? The very important thing the writer has to keep in mind, that the reader wants the news quickly. The minute they look at any of the media reports, they just want the direct information. And remember that today's reader has many alternative sources of information, and they have no patience with badly written or badly presented reports. So the main aim or the technique is to grab and retain the reader's interest. so that the reader will read the story or the reader will read the report. So the very first thing is there should be a very catchy headline. Compose a catchy headline. The headline is what that catches the reader's attention first. The headline should convey the basic idea of the story in a single line. Therefore, it may be easier and prudent to write the headline after writing the report. The first paragraph of the report is called as the lead paragraph. Forms the base of the inverted pyramid and contains essential information. In journalism, essential information refers to 5 W's, that is who, what, when, where and why. The lead paragraph thus conveys the essential facts about who did what, when, where and why. The remaining paragraph contains additional details or background information, quotes by sources and so on. It refers to the sources from where the information is given. The arrangement of the information follows the inverted pyramid structure, with the most important and the newest information at the top and the least important and oldest information at the bottom. So always remember that the media report follows the inverted pyramid way of giving the report. While giving the media report, the writer has to doubly check the report for accuracy of facts. Verify the dates, spellings and designations and proofread the copy for spelling and grammar errors. So there is one of the examples given in the text which you can read and understand, which I am not reading here. There is a reference to one of the examples of the media report given in the text. So if you read the text, you can easily understand. I just give some of the guidelines for writing the media report. Till now we have discussed what are the things that we have to remember when we are writing a media report. So the questions may be asked for you in the exam. What do you understand by the inverted pyramid? Explain the inverted pyramid style of writing a media report. Or they may ask you the process of writing a media report. Or they may ask you to give some of the important points that to be kept in mind while writing the media reports. So these some guidelines for writing media reports I just list out here. Use clear and simple language, shorter words. The example given in the text is we have to use the active verbs. For example, we have to say we watched the match instead of saying the match was watched by us. Then the second one is the very important thing is we have to avoid the jargon and slang and complex sentence structures. Try to include only one idea in a sentence. That is very simple and clear idea within a short sentence. We have to present it in a very crispy manner. Then make each paragraph present only one idea and concept. Front load each paragraph. Front load each paragraph, that is, start each paragraph with the main idea that we want to say in that particular paragraph. And that idea has to be supported by the details in the same paragraph. So, or the conclusion of the paragraph starts with the main idea and concludes in that paragraph itself. It means we have to be very direct whenever we say something in the media report. The report has to be direct. Make your point first, then you explain. The front loading or the direct approach may be considered inelegant, blunt, and even rude, perhaps in other kinds of writing. If we are directly saying something, it will be considered in English or the spoken language as a rude language. You directly can't negate any of the things, or directly you can't state the things. You have to be you have to say in a polite way. But here it is preferred style of media reports, because their target is one who wants to grasp information quickly and easily. Here in the media report, the target readers or the target viewers, audience are those who want to take the information or grasp the information quickly and easily. Give details, but only as much as required. Do not go on giving the longer informations, just cut short. So just only that is necessary. So just sufficient information has to be given. Always remember that the reader is under no obligation to read the report. There is no compulsion for a reader to read a report. So you have to catch the reader's attention and make sure you don't lose it. So the media report writer has to keep in mind, or always keep the reader in mind, that whenever the reader reads the report, the reader should feel interested while reading the report, so that when he feels interested, he will read all the report. So to catch that kind of interest and attention of a reader, this style is followed for media report, which is totally different from the feasibility, progressive or evaluation report. So there is exercise 1, as I have said that there are some questions which can be asked. The same questions are asked in exercise 1 and again exercise 2, in which you have to practice the media report writing for different topics. So do practice the exercise 2, in which you have 10 questions. In each question you have to deal with a new topic, giving or following the style of inverted pyramid media report writing, and giving the information about the given topic. So please do practice this, so that you will be very good at writing the media report. So this is all for semester 3 second year syllabus, in which we have completed almost all types of report writing. 3 types of report writing, which is a sequential order, chronological order, and the media report, which is just the contrast, where we give the inverted pyramid style of writing. Okay. Thank you.